if we have some self-development books during our school days also, I do not know about the situation of today's present school, but if we have these self-development courses or book reading clubs during school days, then don't you think that it will impact a lot in the children? Why do you think that it is not there in most of the schools? And what can, as parents, we can do?
Yeah, that's a very amazing question, and it has lots of dimensions what you asked. If you see our education system in olden days or golden days, right, somewhere the focus was more on personal development, more on the mindset, more on the integrity, more on the thought process, right, then on the strategy. So I always like this formula by Tony Robbins. He says in life there are three things, 3S formula. He says the first S is state, mental state, how resilience you have gathered, how what is your mindset, right, what is your thought process, your state, right. Then he tells story, what are the stories that you're telling to yourself, this cannot be done, this is difficult. He says that if your story and state is not aligned, it's not aligned for success, then don't even think about strategies. And I think our education system is all about strategies, the current education system. And I think it was meant for purpose. The purpose was Britishers wanted people to be employable, right? Even today, that's the focus. So basically, somewhere we all have, it's like, there's an example, right? If you put fish in the competition of monkeys to, jump on the tree, that is not a game, right? So somebody who might not be interested in things which are there, right? Some guys might be a great guitarist, some guy could be a great thinker, the other guy could be a great speaker, right? So our education system is I think different people come and there's one mold which put them, just everyone becomes in the same mold. So I think our education system somewhere has created those barriers, that these are our limits, these are self-defined limits, I can't grow beyond that. Second part is when you said about how can parents help there. I think parents' role is so critical, but I think they are taking it very seriously. One is, Sadhguru says always that we are not owner of our children, right? Right? We are just there to help them out in their growth. We have to understand what they want, to help them what they want. Rather, what we do, I might have a failed dream. I couldn't become badminton champion. I couldn't become IAS officer. I couldn't become that. And I'm putting that on my child. You also become doctor. You also become engineer. You also become that. So I think that's a big problem. So the first thing I always suggest to any parent is, first you start working on the personal development. You have not realized what is personal development, right? Until unless I learn personal development, until unless my child will never do what I say her, but she will always do what I do.